That is how you will be able to prepare the reports. You can change the axis also out here. On the x-axis, we have the column. On the y-axis, we have close, open, high, low. If you want, you can remove any of these here. So if I remove the close prices and the open prices, so now there are only high and low prices that are available over here. On the y-axis, you are selecting currency. You can move this to any of these. You can move this to the y-axis, line, x-axis, column, legend, small verticals, tooltips. Let us scroll this down further. You can add the column legend over here. Also, small multiples, tooltips. This is how you work on your visualizations. If you want, you can add volumes out here with the filters. So you can select the volumes, and out here you can click on add to filters as a visual or a report level filter. Drag and drop it over here. Yeah, it's already here, so that's okay. Once you have the volume, you can create an advanced filtering, which is less than what? If it's less than whichever value you want. Let's click on that. No, not here. Yes. So out here we have the volumes data also. So if you want, you can select the volumes accordingly. Let us sort it and filter it out here. What are the different volumes that are available to us? That's the volume that is here. We'll select any less than 100 or less than 5,000 supposedly. Let's come here. You can add less than, show items when the value is less than 5,000. It's greater than what? 7,000. Let's click apply filter. Right. So this change graph that we are seeing here is based on these filters, on the application of these filters. So you can add some more data fields here also for the visuals. If I don't want to show the currency, I can remove this. You can show the currency as USD. So let's click on this. In high and low, we are showing everything. So we are not adding any filters for high, low. We have added for only volume. I'm closing this button for volume. Yes. So that is how you can add filters. That apart, what more can we look at as of today? These are all the summation values, as you can see here. These are all the summation values. If you click on this, you can also check. You can expand, you can collapse all, you can view the hidden values also. You can hide this particular. Right, so out here you can see that it's not showing up over here. You can check it. So these are the different features that are available. If I click on, so out here it is showing us relationship format also. Although we've not really created any relationship as such, but that is the model format that is showing up. If you have to go back to the report, let's go back to report. Now you can have 2-3 such kind of reports out here on the same page. So I can so I have added one more report out here. Now, so this was for high and low, and this is for open and volume. If I do not select volume, suppose, that's the volume that we are seeing here. The bar chart that we are seeing only for the open price. So if you want, you can add the open price over here also and select open. So that will show up over here. You can add multiple reports on the same canvas out here. You can also add a page here and add the different fields out here. Let us take one last example. Let us select which other format do we have. We have only the Excel format, so I'm going to select that one. Does it take any other formats to Data Hub? We do not have any Power BI recent sources. Yeah, okay, let's take the JSON format. Okay, so that's the format that is available. That's the file that we have here. Fine, this is a very big file size, but let us see what best we can select here. We can select, let us select computer use for different age groups of female, 16 to 24 years of age gap female, and 60 to 24 for males. We also add another visual here, 25 to 24 females and 25 to 24 male. For higher order, for the higher age group of 55 to 74 for females and for males. So what we see here now, how do you conduct your analysis? This is just one simple example that I've taken here. Let us bring the focus out here. Out here, I see that in case of females and males, there's a difference in the computer use for males and females who fall in the age band of 55 to 74. That's something that we can see here. How big is the difference? Well, that is something that we need to calculate. 18,502 minus 15,141. Let us now check for this one. Out here, what do we see? Well, that's 32,354 for female, and it's 33,220. So out here, the difference is just 1,000 for the males and females computer use who fall in the age band of 25 to 54. And that is the third age band of 16 to 24. And out here we can see there is hardly any difference. It's 39,755 for males, and that's 39,455. 755 minus 455 is how much? 300. So the difference is just 300. But so what we see is in the younger age groups, the difference in the computer usage is much lower. So males and females in lower age groups, they use computer significantly, and there is not much of a difference. But as the age band increases, the count of females who are using computer has reduced. It's simply because in that age group, computers were not available. So that also shows into how the overall social dynamics evolving. This is just one such example that I showed you all. That is page 2 of 2, right? That's a page 1. Okay, the page 1 was that of the gold prices. Fine. So on the page, now if you want, you can rename this page. Right click on this, and I'm renaming this page computer use analysis. So that's the name of your file. That's the name of your page. And page 1 is what? Asset analysis for gold. Right. This is how we are conducting the entire. So this is how your Power BI is. We have gone through different file menus that were available out here, different menus, learned some bit of visualization also, depending upon the data set that we had. We also applied a filter here for slightly easier understanding.